Anthony with US Mobile here. I'm coming to you live from outside Grand Central Station in New York City. Today is a big day. It's the iPhone 15 launch day and I got the natural titanium color here. But not only that, US Mobile is changing the game with how easy it is to activate a phone plan using eSIM, transfer your line over from an old phone to a new phone with eSIM as well. First, let's unbox this bad boy and check out that new color. All right, I'm not gonna keep y'all waiting. Let's jump right into this unboxing. Hitting it with that classic peel off paper and the iconic Apple slide. It actually wasn't really that iconic. I'm not gonna lie, this is gorgeous. Get a closer look at just the silver. We are very, very lucky to have a special guest enter the office with the blue colorway. So this is a 2-for-1 deal now. You're gonna get to see the titanium and the blue side by side. Would you like to do the honors?
Oh, let's go. So satisfying. Kudos to whoever makes these boxes.
I noticed the drag wasn't that good. See how quick that was?
That's actually true.
Normally there's like a lot of
again.
Yeah, run that drag back.
Because I always like just tip the box over and it kind of slowly opens.
Yeah.
But this one just like
plops out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that blue is nice.
So the guy at the store, before I pick it up, said that I would immediately notice how lighter it is compared to my iPhone 14. So I want to see if that's true or not. Yes. Yes, it is.
I was thinking this is like the first silver iPhone since like the first one.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
That's true.
Like I haven't done like a real silver like this. I think it's pretty sweet. Are you happy with the choice you made or are you jealous of mine?
I like the blue. It's just like a personal thing. I'm like, I can't do grays. I like the blue.
The iPhone 15 and the iPhone 14, they're eSIM only. eSIM is a chip that's embedded inside your phone that holds your phone plan, essentially allowing you to download a plan from the cloud. You don't need to fumble with small chips, you lose them, you don't need to go to the store to get activated. You can do it all over the internet. And you can tell here there is no slot to put a chip in, even if you wanted to. So once you've unboxed your phone, of course, you gotta get service on there. I'm gonna show you how incredibly easy it is with US Mobile to activate your plan or even transfer your line over from your last phone. Get started by opening the US Mobile app on your old phone. Then tap the line you need to transfer to your new phone. Once you're there, tap the button that says Transfer Line to eSIM. Then select Start Transfer. Now swap over to your new device for the IMEI code. Open up the Settings app, go to General, then go to About, and scroll to the bottom to find that IMEI 2. Swap back over to the old phone, type in the IMEI 2, and then continue with the transfer. Make sure it looks right and tap Complete. Now on the new phone, you'll have a notification in Settings. Tap the prompts on screen to continue, wait a few minutes for the line to activate, and you'll be all good to go. And as you can see, it's incredibly easy to transfer your line from an old phone to a new phone using eSIM. So just this past week, our CEO Ahmed announced a ton of new product updates from US Mobile on our subreddit. Head over there to check out everything. But what I'm going to focus on today is our iPhone 15 deal, as well as our GSM network. If you get your hands on the iPhone 15, 15 Pro, anything in the lineup, you can get $200 back. And this is for new and existing customers, so everybody gets to roll in the dough. Now, like I mentioned earlier, you have to activate with eSIM, but there's more to it. You're not tied to the Warp 5G network anymore. We have done a massive upgrade to our GSM 5G network, so you could even run dual SIM. I'm talking about Warp and GSM. We have updated speeds on GSM to hit near gig speeds, and it's going to be phenomenal running both of these at the same time. So that's actually exactly what I'm going to do. Start from the dashboard of the US Mobile app and go over to Activate. Tap Instantly Activate with eSIM and then Continue. From here, you can choose Warp or GSM 5G. Then tap Continue. Now you can choose if you want to transfer your number or get a new number, which is what I'll be doing today. I'm going to type in my zip code and it'll generate a number that matches my location. Now, US Mobile has plenty of incredible phone plans for you to try out. And today I'm going to go with our newly introduced Lite plan. This offers 500 meg, 500 talk, and 500 text. Go to the checkout screen, make sure everything looks right, agree, and check out. Next, you'll find yourself back on the line screen. Scroll to the bottom after a few minutes and tap on your line. Tap Manual Entry to do it all from your phone. Once you're ready, copy the SMDP address, then go into your phone's settings. So slide up to go to the home screen, tap Settings, and then tap Cellular. Add an eSIM. Once this menu is pulled up, tap Other Options. Select Use a QR code, and on the next screen, you're going to tap Enter Details manually. Here you can press and hold, and tap Paste where the SMDP address is. Now slide up to go back to the US Mobile app. Tap the activation code, slide up and go into Settings, tap and hold and paste in that code. Tap Next in the top right, things will load for a minute, and you'll be ready to activate your eSIM. Tap Activate, and if you have multiple SIMs, turn off one of them. But don't worry, you can always turn them back on if you'd like to. And that's really it. Your eSIM setup is complete. On the following pages, you can name your line, you can choose whether you want it to be the primary line or the backup line, and you can assign it to your iMessage. So if you want to get in on the most incredible value in wireless with our unbeatable speeds, unbeatable pricing, and fantastic technology, hop on over to US Mobile. And for everyone who's already rocking with us, we really, really appreciate your evangelism. We appreciate your support and for sharing us with your friends and family. Keep in mind, when you do that, this iPhone launch, any time of the year, you'll get $25 back in a prepaid card. And when you bring over your iPhone, you're gonna get that $200 for the 15 and $75 back for the iPhone 14. What do you think about this natural titanium color? And will you be activating on Warp 5G or will you be activating on GSM 5G? Let us know. We're here on Reddit, we're on chat and support 24/7 if you need us for anything. I've been Anthony with US Mobile, and I will see y'all soon.